Welcome back, everyone. In this video, our goal is to show how to use the mirror tool so that you can quickly and easily make symmetrical landscapes if that is your intent. So here we are. I'm in my map sculpting level under the landscape sculpting tabs. And in our list of tools over on the left-hand side, we can find our mirror tool at the very bottom under our region tools. There it is. Let's go ahead and select that guy. Now, what I've currently got going on in this landscape is a simple mountain range. And all I want to do is mirror this mountain range so that I have a mirror image of this over here. Now you can see that once I've accessed the mirror tool, this green mesh wall has occupied my landscape. And this is letting me know where my mirror point is and in which direction I am going to mirror. Currently, my operation here for mirroring is set to -x to +x. So this is my -x up here and my +x over here. And it's showing that at this green point right now, if I was to click this apply button, I would mirror from up here to down here. So essentially a flattened landscape to right over here. Now I can actually drag this arrow around like so to redefine where I want to mirror from. Like in this case, I would be mirroring all of this over to this side. Now, this is currently the wrong orientation for what I'm going for. And you can see that as I move this around, I am changing my mirror point values up here. So I need to change my operation here. I want to mirror along the y-axis. And I am looking for, in this case, +y to -y, just based on how I am currently viewing my level. So I've got +y over here currently, -y over here. And you can see it's a green arrow indicating a y-axis. And yeah, I want to split this right down the middle. So if I click apply, there we go. I have simply mirrored my landscape. Now, I'm just going to do Control Z here quickly to undo that. And I just want to demonstrate how if I was to move this, let's say I'm going to split this about right down, partially down the middle of my landscape mountain range here. And now I apply. You can see how now I've mirrored it from that point. Now, the reason this is showing up all black over here is because it's trying to copy some stuff over here that doesn't really exist, so to speak. So that's why it's showing like that. Now, I'm just going to do Control Z to undo this quickly. And I'm going to set my mirror point back to its defaults. And by setting it to default, I actually set it to 0, 0, which is not what I wanted to do. I believe it was 512 by 512. All right. And I'm going to click apply to mirror here. And then I'm going to change my operation here from, let's go +x to -x, swinging it over here. So I'm going to kind of have 4 quadrants that are sort of mirror images of each other. So I click apply, and you're going to see how this now mirrors over on this side. So one thing to note here, also we've got this smoothing width. If you've got any sort of rough transitions here between your mirroring, you can try playing with your smoothing width value to smoothen out these sections. So let me just undo this quickly, Control Z. I'm going to crank up my smoothing width here to say 20. Now I'm going to apply. And you can see how in this case, it's trying to create a little bit more of a smooth, gradual transition between these mountain ranges. Contrast that with Control Z to undo. My smoothing width where I had it all the way down to 0. And then apply, where it's just got this sharp dip. So that's something to keep in mind as well, because that mirroring can cause some harsh transitions. Well, there you have it, guys. The mirror tool, an easy way to mirror one side of your landscape to the other. That'll do it all for this one. We'll see you in the next one.